Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.